Absolutely perfect sell signal that we caught here today at 8:45. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you and show you how to identify these exact type of chart patterns that print almost every single day, okay? If you know what you're looking for, all right? Now, this is going to be one of the best trading videos you're ever going to watch, because in this video, we're going to strip away all the noise. We are going to remove all of these BS garbage indicators that so many of you guys and gals are still using. And with one click of your mouse, I'm going to show you how to turn this chart into this chart over here. Okay, so let's get into it, guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And what we're going to talk about today is the NASDAQ, all right? The NASDAQ market, no matter how you trade it, whether you trade it on Forex, which is NAS 100, or futures and Q, or even stocks and options, which is QQQ. All right, you can trade the NASDAQ anywhere, any platform. And by the way, don't worry, for all you S&P 500 lovers, I've also got the S&P 500 queued up. You're going to freak out when you see this pattern show up on the S&P today, okay? But generally speaking, you know, my favorite symbol is the NASDAQ. I have just found that the NASDAQ gives us, as professional traders, or at least aspiring day traders like many of you guys and gals out there, this market gives you the opportunity and at least the chance to capture very large moves. Okay, and when I say large moves, guys, I'm talking like a minimum of 500 plus ticks or pips. Okay, yeah, you heard me say that right. 500 ticks every day at a minimum. That is the potential profit that the NASDAQ can give us almost every single day. Again, guys, if you know what you're doing. And speaking of knowing what you're doing, all right, you see this green and red color band here? All right, this is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile. All right, it's our take on volume analysis. And what this thing does is that it's absolutely brilliant at helping you and assisting you in predicting a trend change. Okay, so case in point, as you can see earlier in the morning, it was green. All right, when it's green, it tells you that the buyers are in control, and when it's red, it tells you that the sellers are in control, right? Now, if you've been a customer and or a subscriber for any length of time, then you know that getting the direction right, okay, while super important and very critical, is also not enough, right? We need to only go after and pursue and identify only the best setups, right? Not every old random setup, okay, that a majority of these idiots and retail trader clowns are doing with their Bollinger Band signals and their stochastic setups and all this other nonsense, right? This makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. And in order for us to make any moves, we have to be laser focused on only selecting the best setups, and you guys and gals know what's coming next, right? The way that I onboard my clients and my customers is I only believe in retracements. All right, guys and gals, because if you've seen the videos before, and I know a lot of you have, there is nothing more powerful than a retracement pattern. It's just simply the best in the world, okay? And look, here's what the pattern looks like, all right? It looks like this. Leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3. That's the entire length of the pattern. It's 3 legs to any retracements, okay? Market moves down a little bit, establishing the direction. Market then moves up a little bit, giving us the retracement that nobody else is looking for except us on the professional side, right? And then leg number 3, boom, the market takes off in our favor. Now, do you see that pattern replicated on today's price action, right? You see this right here? You see, let me take this yellow box. You see how the market comes down, right? Leg 1, then the market comes up, leg 2, and then kaboom, the market just obliterates all those idiot retail traders who tried to buy the market, right? And our point of entry, just so you guys and gals know, is this exact bar, okay? Where the color of the bar matches the color of the volume indicator, and this bar's high is above the color band, right? We were 3 for 3 on this setup right there. And man, let me tell you, it was the best feeling in the world just watching this market get obliterated, just hands down obliterated, while the potential stop loss never got touched, right? Basically the perfect trade. And you guys and gals can see why people love this volume indicator, right? You guys and gals can see why this can make an almost immediate impact on your charts and in your technical analysis, right? So listen, big congrats and big shout out to all of my new customers who've onboarded over the last couple of weeks and months. I told you this type of day was coming. Markets are going to be on fire this month. I think this month's going to be epic, and I cannot wait to see what this indicator is going to do tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.